when I play the sound, you should hear really not really nice sounds, right? It's coming from there. Can you hear the noise?
Yes.
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah, it's annoying, right? I don't like it. It's really annoying. Yeah. So what I will do now is that I will switch on this feature, which is called Poly Noise Block AI version 2. And now I just switched it on in the device. So is there any change?
Yes,
Yeah?
completely clear.
The audio is, it's still annoying because it's still there. I mean, the audio, the unwanted noise from the office is still there. I just changed the settings of the microphones of the technology, which is based on the AI here in the V12.